Hello and welcome back to Word Unlocked. I'm Jake.
And I'm Sarah. And today's word, I want everyone to know we are not encouraging this behavior. We are simply giving you the vocabulary for it.
Which is completely different. Sarah, the word.
Gossip.
Gossip. Let's learn it.
Gossip means talking about other people, their private lives, their mistakes, their relationships, their business, usually behind their back, usually without their permission.
It can be harmless, casual chat about nothing serious, or it can be damaging, spreading false or private information that hurts someone's reputation. The word covers both.
Now, the chunks.
Chunk 1. Office gossip, or workplace gossip. Rumors and casual chatter specifically between colleagues about management, about promotions, about who is leaving, who is dating, who is in trouble.
For example, apparently, remember that word, apparently there is a lot of office gossip about the new manager. Everyone is talking about this person behind their back, in the corridors, in the kitchen. Office gossip.
Office gossip is one of the most common social activities in any workplace. It happens everywhere, in every industry, in every country. Humans talk about other humans, especially when they share a space every day.
Chunk 2. Gossip about someone. The verb form. You are actively talking about a specific person, their private life, their choices, things they didn't share with you directly.
For example, I don't want to gossip about her, but did you hear what happened? That opening, I don't want to gossip, is almost always followed by gossip.
Always. I don't want to gossip, but means gossip is coming in 3 seconds.
Every time without exception. Gossip about someone is the verb, the active choice to discuss someone who is not in the room.
Chunk 3. Spread gossip. You heard something, and now you choose to tell more people, actively, intentionally, moving the information from one person to many.
For example, he spreads gossip constantly. Don't tell him anything private. He is not just listening, he is distributing, spreading, like a virus, moving from person to person.
Spread gossip is deliberately negative. The word spread shows the damage, how far it goes, how many people hear it, how out of control it becomes.
Chunk 4, juicy gossip. The most entertaining kind. Something shocking, surprising, scandalous. The kind of gossip that makes people lean in, lower their voice, say, "Oh, you will not believe this."
For example, she called me immediately. She had juicy gossip about someone from our old school. You know the call, you know the tone. Something dramatic has happened, and someone cannot wait to tell you.
And juicy gossip is always delivered urgently, at high speed, with wide eyes, because the teller knows this information is too good to wait.
And chunk 5, the office gossip. Now gossip describes a person, not the information. The person, the one whose entire identity in the office is knowing and sharing everything about everyone.
For example, Mark is the office gossip. He knows everything about everyone. Not said as a compliment, but not always said with full judgment either. Just a fact. Mark knows things. Mark tells things.
The office gossip is a character found in almost every workplace. They are often very socially connected, very aware of everything happening around them, and very willing to share it.
The office gossip is both useful and dangerous. Useful, they know what's happening. Dangerous, they know what's happening about you, too. 2 stories. Mine first, about the office gossip. At a previous job, I had a colleague. I will call him Tom. Tom knew everything. Who was getting promoted, who was about to resign, which project was being canceled, which 2 colleagues were in a secret relationship, everything. Tom knew it all. And the remarkable thing, he was never wrong. His information was always accurate, always early, always detailed.
How did he know everything?
We never fully figured it out. He just absorbed information from every direction. Every conversation near him somehow reached him. The office gossip at his finest. But here is the thing. Because Tom spread everything, nobody told Tom anything real. If you had an actual problem, a genuine struggle, you did not tell Tom. Because by morning, everyone would know.
The office gossip knows everything, and that is exactly why you tell them nothing important.
Exactly. Tom was entertaining, but not trusted. And those two things, interesting and trustworthy, are very different.
My story is about spread gossip, and it is about a mistake I made once, a real one. Early in my career, I heard something about a colleague, a rumor about why he had been passed over for a promotion. I thought it was just information, interesting context, and I mentioned it, casually, to one other person. Within 2 days, that information had reached 5 people, then 8. Then it got back to the colleague himself, in a distorted form, more dramatic than the original, more damaging.
It spread and changed shape as it spread.
Yes, what started as one casual comment became something that hurt a real person, and I was the one who spread it. Even without intending damage, I spread gossip, and it had consequences.
What did you do?
I went to the colleague directly. I told him honestly what I had said, and I apologized. It was an uncomfortable conversation, but the right one. And I learned, information about a person is not yours to share, even if it seems harmless, even if you're just making conversation. Once you spread it, you lose all control of where it goes.
Spread gossip and you spread damage, even when you don't mean to.
Think before you speak about someone else. Ask, does this person know I'm sharing this? Would they be okay with it? If the answer is no, keep it.
Okay, let's finish. Gossip, talking about other people's private lives behind their back, it can be harmless, it can be damaging, and it is one of the most human behaviors that exists.
Your 5 chunks. Office gossip or workplace gossip, rumors and chatter between colleagues about people and events at work. Gossip about someone, the verb form, actively discussing someone's private business behind their back. Spread gossip, the choice to take a rumor and share it with multiple people intentionally. Juicy gossip, shocking, entertaining, scandalous information that people find impossible to resist. And the office gossip, the specific person in a workplace who knows and shares everything about everyone.
Today's homework. Next time you are about to share information about someone, pause for 1 second. Ask, is this mine to share? Would this person be okay with me saying this? If the answer is no, don't spread it.
Information about people is not entertainment. It belongs to them, not to us.
Be someone people can trust with the real things, not someone who spreads the interesting things.
Thanks for listening to Word Unlocked. See you next time.
Stay curious.